I hope today's video brings a smile to your face because today I'm going to go over some frequently asked questions that women of a certain age have about starting a business. Make sure to hit subscribe and notify to get all of my tips and strategies so that you can start your business faster with less stress. Now, to be totally candid, I did not ask these questions before I started my online business, much to my husband's chagrin. Sometimes I could be a look before you leap kind of gal. Now, I actually wouldn't have done anything differently, but I do think it's a good idea to kind of get a scope of things before you jump right in. So, with that said, I'm going to go over 3 commonly health questions that you might want to consider. And by the way, even if you've started your business, these are not bad questions to ask periodically. So, question number 1, how can I know if my online business is going to succeed? Very simply. I know this is like, oh my God, kind of question, but in point of fact, there's just a couple of things you need to think about. First, to figure out if your online business is a good idea is to figure out if people are going to buy from you. Pure and simple. Do the research. See if people are even interested. Ask your friends. Go online. Do a Google search. Try to establish who your customer or client might be, and if there's a match between who they are and what you have to offer. Second question, what are some effective ways to market my online business? That really can be challenging for somebody that's just starting out. So one of the most effective and cheapest ways to market your online business is social media. Get an account if you don't already have it on Facebook, on Instagram, Twitter, wherever you feel your ideal audience lives. Don't try to go on all the sites. You'll spread yourself too thin and you'll burn out. Pick one, get comfortable on that one, and then if you want to spread out, you can. Remember, each individual platform appeals to a certain segment of the population. So figure out if your segment, if your ideal audience gravitates to that particular social media platform. In addition to social media, there's also content marketing, writing blogs, doing video, stuff like that. There's also email marketing. That's a very effective way that can be pretty low cost or no cost. And if you have questions about any of those, reach out to me. The third question, how can I balance my personal responsibilities and my business? Women of a certain age have responsibilities. We all have responsibilities. Family responsibility. You still have a 9-to-5 job responsibility. If you have an elderly parent, let's say, there are responsibilities there. I was a caregiver to my parents, and that can take up quite a bit of time. If you're take care of a child or a grandchild, I'm going to give you some tips. First, create a plan that allows you to be flexible. That is why you have a home business. So you have flexibility. You don't have a boss breathing over your neck, wondering why you need to take a day off to take care of the grandchild when clearly you have things to do in the office. Plan something that allows you to make it work for you. I've done other videos where that gives you some ideas of how to fit things in. Go check them out. Tip 2, delegate and outsource where you can. There are virtual assistants out there. Make use of that. Look for ways that you can automate. There are apps for that. There are other things you can do. Find an accountability partner to help you stay on track. If it's appropriate, incorporate your family into the business. Let them see what the process is. They may be able to help. which leads us to the next tip. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Can't do it all yourself all the time. Make sure to take breaks. And lastly, and most importantly, give yourself some grace. Do a little bit every day. It's better than doing nothing. And have fun. Enjoy the process. Life's just too short to not to. Now, I hope you got real value in this. I do. But I wasn't born knowing all this. If you want to learn how you can grow your business faster with less stress, if you need to learn how to market your business or to figure out who your target market is, if you need leads, go down to successwithkarenb.com. Hit the first tab that says Market Like a Pro. You'll be able to get a 14-day trial to a platform that has taught me and continues to teach me everything I need to know about online marketing. And I will see you on the next one.